Use of raisin water to help cleanse and detox the liver. Do you know raisin water is extremely beneficial for your health? From improving your heart health to boosting your immunity, raisin water has some amazing health benefits. It is advised to eat raisins in the morning to take better care of your heart, get rid of bad cholesterol, lower your triglyceride levels, and stop constipation or an upset stomach. Raisins have a lot of vitamins and minerals, and they help you even more when you drink the water they are soaked in. They are full of natural sugars, and that makes them great energy boosters. Raisin water helps you keep a lot of health problems at bay. Drinking raisin water is an age-old remedy that is used for treating health and liver-related problems. Drinking raisin water will help you flush out all the harmful toxins from your body. This drink improves the biochemical process of the liver and helps you clean the blood. Here is how you can make raisin water at home and what are the benefits of drinking it every day. Take 2 cups of water and 150 grams of raisins. Boil some water in a pan and soak some raisins in it overnight. Strain the water and heat it again on the low flame. Drink this water on an empty stomach. Wait for 30 to 35 minutes before having your breakfast. Do this continuously for 4 days, and you will see the difference. Note: always choose the dark-colored raisins for making raisin water because black raisins are sun-dried grapes without any add-on chemicals. On the other hand, yellow raisins are dipped in sulfur dioxide to retain their color. This is harmful to your health and therefore should be avoided. Regulates blood pressure. Excess salt consumption is known to cause high blood pressure. However, the potassium in raisins helps to balance the salt content in our body and regulate blood pressure. Aids digestion. Raisins are high in fiber and they act as natural laxatives when soaked in water. Thus, eating soaked raisins helps prevent constipation and keeps your digestion process in check through the day. Helps boost immunity. Rich in vitamin B and C, raisins help strengthen your immunity and thus, your body becomes less susceptible to infections. Increases bone strength. Boron, which is essential for bone formation, is present in large quantities in raisins. Raisins are also packed with calcium, which is required for bone strength. Eating soaked raisins helps in better absorption of these nutrients and thus, improves overall bone density. Prevents anemia. Iron is the most essential element required for the formation of red blood cells in our body. Raisins are rich in iron and they help in increasing the blood supply in the body and thus, prevent anemia. Liver detox. Raisin water stimulates a particular biochemical process in liver which results in enhanced purification of the bloodstream. They help clean your blood by taking out the poisons and heavy metals that can pile up and make you sick. This helps in easy digestion as well as maintaining liver health as raisin water is rich in minerals and vitamins. Increased heart health. Apart from purification of bloodstream, raisin water helps in maintaining heart health. It reduces your triglyceride levels and helps in elimination of bad cholesterol apart from a clean gut and enhanced digestion. This all contributes to a healthier heart. Reduces acidity. Raisin water increases digestion as it is rich in vitamins and minerals. It helps in segregation of stomach acids during digestion process, which enhances the absorption of nutritional components, and it helps you process your food better. This water regulates the acid in your stomach. Blood purifier. Raisins have been suggested by doctors and medical practitioners since long for increased hemoglobin levels and purification of blood. Natural cologne cleanser. Raisin water every day for 4 days will give you best body cleansing results that too as a byproduct. Better digestion and great metabolism means a healthy gut. Try these tips and let us know if you receive relief or not by visiting our comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe.